Alright, ladies and gents, this is my solution for when it be too hot not to be able to cool down. And I mean cool down with a vengeance. Not just blow some water cool air and hope for the best. That'll work if you're nowhere near the 90-degree neighborhood. Once you get over there, you're on your own. You better have something. Now they were selling these puppies like a sack of 10 of White Castles. They're a big stack of these things. I'm up there in Wally World. I'm like, all right, we got to get some essentials. And I see this stack of AC units for like $1.88. I said, you better believe it. So here we go. We're going to crack this nut open right about now. That. Come back around here. Let's see what this thing is like. Now, for the most part, Walmart's got some pride. So if they're going to sell you something whereby you never heard of what it was, chances are they're going to go through it and make sure it's not junk. They're going to get it for a good price and hustle it out. And they're not going to have people screaming and bitching and moaning about it not working out or being functional. So that's what I'm assuming. I think it did take out a 3-year on this page. Not sure, but I think I did. Because they only give you 90 days, and that's nothing. There's a bunch of crap in here. Oh, it does have a remote. I'm like, yeah. Oh, this is badass. Look. Okay? Because if you're a child of the 60s and you remember a feta that's working off your 240 volt line straddled across rather than plug it up on the 115. Oh, this is what it's about. I'm going to figure out what circuit to put it on too. Might not have it jamming off the living room. I don't know what the hell this is. Some kind of mess. I'll figure it out. It's got to be important that they got it up in there. All cushioned out. Maybe it's batteries or something. I don't know. Now I'm going to have to take this thing and edit it down. Probably with AVID Mux. With the fancy wipes and all that. I'm just going to cut to the chase. That's all. And you know what's what. Got 2 little batteries here. Alright, that'll work. That's your AAA solution for your remote. I'm liking it already. Alright, let's pause it. Alright, this might be a 2-man team thing. I'm one person last I looked. One old person. So I was pulling this thing straight up out of the box. I'll let you know if that's feasible. Alright, you know me. I'm going to let gravity take over. This is the top. They warned you, do not lay this upside down. Because otherwise it would have damaged the bellows that you see. So, I'm going to just see if I can spill it a little bit. Alright. Window stuff came out. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Alright, toss the box. Here we go. I don't know. Alright, what are we looking at? Let's tilt this.